Hi, good morning. It's Miss Wicks, and we are moving on to our language arts lesson for today is lesson 125. This is pages 249 and 250. Today is Wednesday, April 8th. And let's stop right here at the top where it says remember. Remember, a noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. Common nouns name a person, place, or thing. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter because they name a special person, a special place, or a special thing. For instance, my name is Tracy, and that is my name, and it is a proper noun. But I am also a girl, which is a common noun. So let's look on number one. Number one says, read the sentences, underline each noun one time. You should find 25 nouns. So let's go ahead and read through this and see if we can find some nouns as we read. All right, Tim and Kenny are friends. Tim wrote a funny story for the boys to act out. Some friends wanted to be in the play. The boys gathered costumes and fun toys. Tim pretended to be a teacher. Kenny was a student. The other boys had parts too. The boys invited their parents to watch the fun play. The parents laughed at the silly jokes. What a fun time the children and their parents had. Well, let's go back and we're going to underline the nouns that we find, both common and proper. Right away, I see Tim and Kenny are friends. These are all nouns. Again, Tim, story, boys, person, place, or thing, friends. They wanted to be in a play, so that is a thing. The boys, again, common noun, gathered costumes, which are things. They gathered toys. Tim pretended to be a teacher. Kenny was a student. The other boys had parts too. The boys invited their parents to watch the fun play. The parents laughed at the silly jokes. What a fun time the children and their parents had. Let's go back and count and see if we have 25 nouns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We did it. All right, number 2, write a proper noun for each common noun. Your answers are going to vary for these. I want you to do these on your own. What would be a country? We've talked about many countries. We actually did a country for our multicultural day. Who would be a friend? So proper means it's going to have a capital letter. What would be a city? You could name the city that you live in. Okay, I live in Winter Park. A restaurant that you like to go to, name the restaurant. McDonald's, Burger King, Taco Bell, Olive Garden, Red Lobster. Number 3, use proofreader's marks to show which words should be capitalized. Let's look at these sentences. It says, Dr. Martin is our soccer coach. I play on our church team. We are the Bethel Baptist Church Bobcats. Well, right away we know doctor should be capitalized. 1, it is part of his name, part of the proper noun. and it begins the sentence. Dr. Martin. Next, I should always be capitalized even if it is in the middle of a sentence. Here it's the beginning of a sentence. I play on our church team. We, this is beginning a new sentence now. We are the Bethel Baptist Church Bobcats. This is again a proper noun. It's just like we are Pine Castle Christian Academy Eagles. All right, now moving on to dictation at the bottom. You're going to write the words that I say. I'm going to give you a sentence after each word so that you can get the word correct. Okay, you're going to put 1, 2, 3 words. Okay, the first word is one. One. I ate one piece of candy. One. Second word, hole. Dad dug a big hole for our new tree. Hole. Last word, two. I need to sharpen my pencil too. Two. On the back is our seatwork side. Read the sentences, write a contraction for each set of words. So you're going to go through here and it has a set of words under each line. You're going to make those into contractions. Remember, a contraction is putting two words together to shorten it, and you add an apostrophe to take out a letter. So have not would be haven't. We took out the O, we replaced it with an apostrophe. Haven't. Do the rest of those on your own. Number 2, draw a line to match the groups of words to make good sentences. So here you have the subject part of the sentence and you have the predicate part. You're going to put them together to make good sentences. Please read them all before you decide to make a sentence. For instance, I have a pair of fuzzy blue down our tent. I have a pair of fuzzy to me. I have a pair of fuzzy blue slippers. I have a pair of fuzzy too much pie. I have a pair of fuzzy my right shoe. I have a pair of fuzzy to write my spelling words. I already knew it was this one, but I wanted to make sure because one of these could have been better. So I have a pair of fuzzy blue slippers. All right, I'm going to leave you to it. We'll see you next for reading.